Hello and welcome to another video from Miniature Tanks Company. In this video we're going to be assembling the Churchill ARK, like a bridge layer. Now for this, I believe there's no clipping away. There's no sprues, it's just all done. So let's bring out the glue and start to glue it all together. So the first step to glue this together is to get some glue here, and glue there and stuff. And then let's take the table as a guide and let's put it like that. And now put some glue there, and you can put that piece like that. Very good. And up next is we need to put this piece together like so, about like that. Well, in order to do that, we need to put a bunch of glue there. So let's try to get this into place here. All right, so once you have that, of course, it's not quite dry or sticking to it, so it's good to press firmly and then it's sure to stick. Now let's put a bunch of glue here. Needing to be generous for this for some reason. There we go. So now just get some glue like that and get it in the same position as the other side. All right, so the main pieces of that are there. Now you can go ahead and put this piece on top. So let's do that. Put a little bit of glue like that. Like so. And let's do the same thing for the other side. This side is a little longer, and that's the way it was if you search pictures of the Churchill ARK, A-R-K. Alright, so what we have left is this type of stuff. If you see how that works out, that kind of hooks onto it, and then we need to glue these pieces. So let's glue all these pieces together. Now let's do the same thing for the other piece. Looking good. Now, same thing for these pieces. All right, let's do this piece now. And actually, setting the glue aside now because now it's done. Good. So here's the Churchill bridge layer ARK, the Churchill ARK. You can kind of put these like that, and it will hold onto it like so. This piece like that. And there it is. There it is, available at miniaturetanks.com. One thing I would like to mention is that's the way it is. If you wish to have it like that, these pieces like this, you can glue it that way, but it probably will need some, just like the pictures, if you look at historical pictures of this online, It probably will need some strings or little miniature chains to hold it up, just like what they did in real life. But that's how they would hold it up, like that. And then they would use this to get across creeks and whatever, I don't know. So thank you so much for watching. It's available at miniaturetanks.com.